Hey guys, how you guys doing? I hope my mic ain't too loud. But about to get into some of these trades. I'm talking to myself. My bad. I'm used to being live. All right, let's get into some of these trades. As you can see, if you look in my chart, let's see. Look into my chart. These are my trades. I have been taking throughout the day. I think this is what is today? Today the 24th. So these are the trades I've been taking throughout the day. I took a really big loss on oh my bad. I'm talking to my bad, y'all. Look at these trades. Talking to myself. My bad. Okay, I'm back. So here's my trade. All right. Okay. Where I'm at. This the 23rd. No, that's yesterday. I did pretty good yesterday too. So you see, I made 1,800. No, that was the 23rd. Okay, where that is. So I kind of lost some money. I started off. Okay, today. Okay, yep. So this today. So I started off today. I lost $795, which is crazy. But I was already up yesterday, so I mean, I didn't lose all my money I made yesterday. All my money I made yesterday, I think, was around 2,000, something like that. So I lost half of that. Then gained a little bit of back because I had like 2 trades going. Then I took another big loss, so I was pretty much down on the day. And you go from there. Then after that, I just constantly just been building my money back up as much as I can. 150 something bucks. These are just little trades I've been taking using. I think it was with the EU. But all my Bitcoin trades, I just been going crazy, man. So you take. So let's get this calculator. So you take 51, 56 plus I had hit. What's that? 38. And then let's look. Then I hit for 300. It's like 307. And that's when I'd like really start getting in tune with the market because I really was looking at it. And then I hit again for that's only like 397 bucks. So I'm really down on my luck, bro. So then I hit again for 190. And now I'm at 500. Then I hit again for 112 bucks. I'm at 600. Then I hit again for 192. 44. I'm at 800. So I made that. So I'm like $100 positive. Then I hit a big trade. Now this is where I really should have stopped trading. When I hit this big trade right here, I hit for 500 bucks, 573. I really should have stopped trading at this time, which I really was going to stop trading. But I believe this is like early in the morning. So I was up $1,000. So I was up really like 300 bucks, pretty much like close to 300. But this say 1400, so I took a loss at 795. So you subtract 795 from. So I'm up 600 bucks, which like I said, I could have stopped trading at this point. And then right when I didn't go with my first mine, I lose 279 bucks. Right. Oh, I'm tripping. I'm tripping. $279. So I'm at 300. But I gained 402 in the very next trade. Then I gained 124 in the very next trade. Then I gained, so I'm back to 800. Then I gained 116, and this is where I really should have stopped. I really should have stopped trading at this point. So I'm up 900 bucks. And this is where I really should have stopped trading, because you see I took these 3 losses right here. So I lost $1,000 bucks. 1,052. Then I lost 800. Then so I'm down now, so I'm minus $900. I lost all the money I made, and I'm down 900 bucks. This is just how bad trading can get. So I'm down 1,000 bucks, right? Then I take another big stupid trade. So I gain 329. Then I gain, what's that, 724. But I'm like, okay, I still want to trade. So then I lose. And a lot of these trades I was taking was just literally just trades I put in, and I just walked away from the computer. So I'm literally losing money soon I walk away from the computer because I'm not paying attention. So I'm down 1,000 again. Man, actually, I was actually down to 100 because I lost 217 right after that. Boom. Okay. So then I gain. Okay. I gain 554. Boom, that's kind of evil. Then I gained 294. Then I gained 352. Then I gained 152. Of course, I still gonna want to trade after this. Then I gained 152. Then now I'm in the positive again. Then I gained 368. Right. Then I gained 368. Then I gained 658. Which I could have stopped trading at this point because I made $1,000. So me being greedy. It's still what, the 24th. I did a lot of trading. So me being greedy. I take I lose 193. I wish I could go over these trades. So I lose 193. But I gain 111 right after that. I think that I literally had like 3 or 4 trades. Yeah, I did. I had 4 trades up at this point. 193 right after that. Then I hit for 209. So I'm at $1,200. So I'm at 1,300. And to me, I really should have stopped trading. But you're thinking like, I really want to get to a certain point. I'm not even thinking that I made my money back at this point. I'm just thinking like, shit, I lost. I lost $1,000. I'm still got that in my head. So my mentality is like, I gotta get my money back. So where am I at? 124, right? 124. So right after that, I lose $198. But again, I got multiple trades up, so that makes sense. But I gain $448, which is great. I could just explain my method of trading, but I just want to see how much money I made. So I lose $7. That's only because I got like a penny trade on. I got a penny, like literally a penny trade going. And I lose another $119. And at that point, I know for a fact I was just testing the waters. And then it paid off in the end though. So I hit for 540. 38 plus 205, 49. Okay, so then I lose $44. I really wish I knew I was up like $2,000 because I would have stopped trading at this point. So then I hit for 167. I was just taking small trades. At this point I was scalping. Then I hit for another $54. And I'm really whooping on them now. And then, this is where I'm at right now. I lose 6 just on the 2 recent trades that I did. But I hit for 398. And this right now is 10 p.m. So I literally been trading since early this morning, and I made $2,700 trading really cryptocurrency and forex trading. Forex. Well, I really was only trading crypto in euro versus the dollar. So so I hit for $2,790. $2,790. That's what I hit for if you add all that up. So yeah, $2,798, some $90.48. I mean, I think that's a real good day of trading, honestly. So I guess I could check out the method of my madness. So what I do is I take a look at this chart. I go into the hour chart. because I'm doing scalping. As you can see, I already have my hour chart pretty much charted where I want to trade at. I have my supply and my demand already set up. Okay, let's do it like this. Let's go back here. Boom, boom, boom. I have my supply and demand already set up. But see, I'm already in the uptrend. So of course, all my trades will be going into that direction, which will be an uptrend. If I even decide that I want to take a trade going in a downward direction, of course, I would be trading in the downtrend. So, I mean, that's just common sense, right? So, because I'm trading in the uptrend, all trades that I will be looking to get will be buys, will be longs. So, but I did some shorts too, as you can see. I also traded shorts too. I traded on the down. So, but most of them is on the uptrend for today, because most of my trades was long because I take the trade long. Now, the supply was really actually at this line around $92,000. That was like a week ago, but that's the true, to me, that is the true supply line where all the big companies is going to basically buy. Even though they're buying right now, but all of the companies is really waiting for the market to come down back to this $92,000 line, or else it's going to be irrelevant at this point. So I thought it was irrelevant at this point. So I made a new supply line, which is at 100 to 98,000. So from 98,000, from the bottom of this purple little box I have right here, from 98,000, that would be at its lowest point, because once it go past that 98,000, I would be at the original supply line, which is right here. Then I will be basically taking that trade down if it hits here. If it get past this box right here, I'll be looking for all trades to go down. It will be in a downward trend at that point. So with that understanding, from here, if it touched this line or get below this line, it should be in a downward trend. So all my trades will be going short. It will be going for sales. If it's above this line, or if it hits this line right here, hits like in between or above, or just hit this line and go, then it's not supporting, right? So it's just basically gonna go back up. So of course, if it stops right here or it stays right here, and I see it, and I'm looking at the candles and I'm seeing that it's consolidating here, of course I will be looking, not actually taking the trade. I will be looking to go long. I will be looking to take buys and trade on the market, continuing to go up the trend. Because right now you can see it's in the uptrend anyway. So if it hit this point, I will be looking for it to go up. If it go below this point, I will be looking for the sell to go down, looking for a good trade here and there. As you can see, I've just been taking scalps. So, but I have not reached that point yet. Right? I have not consistently reached that point. So how can I make money today? Well, I know the market is in the upward trend. These are just long trades that I would actually take just in case I want to go to sleep or something and I see the market's here. I could really just take this trade either here or here. I would look for an entry point to take the trade, and I could trade the market continuing in this uptrend, or I could trade the market continue to go in this downtrend. Now, that would be the easiest trade that you could take. That would be the easy part. You could just simply, like if you got like $1 million or something to sit around with, you could easily just wait all day and wait for the market to come down here, or you could take a chance and just take a sale and wait for it to come down, or you could see if the market is going to go down there, or it will be breaking the support point. So just like it broke this support point, or it broke this supply point. It broke this supply point, so I created a new one, right? How did you create that supply point? Well, if you look at where the market was actually consolidating at its lowest point, and you would look at where the trade is actually at and where the trade is being taken at, you will look from here to there. This is where the market actually shot up, went down, came back down, reached this point, shot up again, came down, reached this point where you see right here, where I put the box. That's why I made the line in the middle of this box. You see, it actually touched this purple line and went right back up. And when it did touch this purple line, it was actually at this graph right here. And I waited for it to touch it twice. So this purple line is not there actually for no reason. It's there for a reason. It's there because I actually took a trade there. And as you can see where I took my trades at, it was around this point. I waited for it to hit this mark, waited for it to basically go up. I waited maybe 2 hours, waited for it to go up, and I looked it for buys going up. And that's how I actually traded the market. And you can see with these charts right here, this is where the market actually was breaking. The market was actually going in an uptrend at that point, right? It went in the downtrend for a little bit, but for the most part, it was in the uptrend. Right now, the market is claiming to go in the downtrend. So should I be taking sales, shorts? Well, you can if you want to, but why take the chance? What you see in the market, scan your chart. What you see in the market is that it's still in an uptrend. It's still above this support point. It's still above this supply. It's still right above it, so it's still in the uptrend. It doesn't matter what that other chart is basically saying at that point. What you're seeing in the market is that it's still in the up point. It tried to test coming down here and it went right back up. It tried to test again and it went right back up. So it's in the uptrend. So now it's in the uptrend. Now, if you trading, like I said, with bigger amounts of money and you're taking bigger trades, it would be okay for you to trade in an hour chart because you're taking bigger trades, So it will be okay for you to trade in an hour chart because what you will be doing, you will be using the 4-hour chart to actually take your trades. As you can see, I have a lot of trades using pretty much the hour chart. So that's pretty much like the trades I was taking before, and that's only because I'm trading with bigger money. But you don't have to do that. So you have to create a strategy if you're trading with small money. So if you want to trade with small money, you will be actually scalping like what I'm doing right now, taking $100 or $200 a trade instead of going for $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 a trade. So when you're scalping, you will be looking at an hour chart or a 45-minute chart. Looking at the 45-minute chart, you can see it's pretty much saying the exact same thing as the hour chart. Loans, the 45-minute chart and the hour chart is pretty much in line with one another, which means you would be looking at audio or RSI strategies, RSI indicators, or an RSI close indicators. Loans is within the same thing. You'd be like, well, you okay. Still in the upward trend, right? Hour chart, still in the upward trend. 45-minute chart, still in the upward trend pretty much, right? So now you will go to a 5-minute chart to actually look for trades to take. Now, it's still in the uptrend, right? You're still in the uptrend at this point. And now you can actually take trades. Now, how do you actually take trades? Well, that's where the RSI indicator, both RSI indicators that I'm using today, that's when them things come to play. This is how that's where them things come to play. When do you take trades? When don't you take trades? So I usually go to the 5-minute chart and I usually look at my indicator. I usually use 2 charts. Look at my indicator. I see, okay, boom, it's always go here. And when it comes here, it'll always come down. Anything past this point, that's when you really want to take your trade. So I go to the 5-minute chart. If you want to trade every 5 minutes, you want to give yourself some time to get in and out of trade in it every 5 minutes. But if you want to be as accurate as possible, you want to look at the market and see how it moves, you actually do this. You would take this, go from here, put an RS right there. Now, why did I do that? Now, the reason why I did that was because once the market, this is the market flow. everything within this line is the market flow. When the market is basically consolidating, you can see it's still going up and down, but that's just you basically gambling with the market. Now you could take trades here and go boom, take a look here, like you see with this trade here. You could go here, boom, boom, and you see if the market's going bear there, things of that nature. But I say anything within here, you basically, I mean, you could trade within here, but you would be taking more of a risk. It's more you taking a risk than actually, being disciplined in trading. So what you want to do, you want to put your indicators outside of the market flow, because it's going into that support system. This is what this indicator is doing. It's going in more of a support system and seeing if it's going to actually break that indicator. Now, if it goes into the support system and it keeps going up, then this chart will adjust for that support system, and then it would eventually come down. It would eventually just be in the middle again. But if it don't support that, right? If people just say, "Oh, well, this stuff costs too much in the market," and they start to sell, then this line would just go down, right? And this line would just go down. And then you could take a look at it, right? Well, let me just finish explaining this. This line would go down, and then, of course, you would take the risk and take the buy. So you see the line going boop, up and down, up and down, up and down. Sometimes I don't even wait for that. Sometimes I wait for this to basically ring, and I know that, okay, the market is at a support line or it's at a support system. If it's here, I'm looking to take a sell. If it's here, I'm looking to take a buy. Now, since I know that the market is in a uptrend, I wouldn't take a sell here. It would be very risky for me to take the sell there to see if it's, but I really wouldn't take the sell there. That's not really, I'm not really looking for trades up here. But if it do look good and I see that, okay, let's say if I got a mark right here, this will be my supply and demand. Okay. My supply on this chart is like all the way down there where I was at. And my demand would be up here. So demand would be just everybody selling. Everybody bought the trade up. Everybody been buying Bitcoin at $100,000. That would be supply. And people been buying and buying and buying and buying and buying. But as they been buying, they were selling. So they buying and buying and buying and buying while it's hot. And the price went from 100,000 to 102,000, 104,000, 110,000, 105,000, 106,000. And people just been buying and buying and buying it till they drove the market up. Basic stuff. Now it's going more into a demand. All the people that have been buying it, the people that is coming after them, which will be people like you and me, because the bankers are the guys that's driving the market up, like the guys with the big money. So the people like you and me that's buying, that's coming in afterwards, is going to be buying from the people that supplied. So sorry, got interrupted, wife and kids. But where was I? Okay, the supply line. Like for example, if this was to go up here, it came from here. I actually took a trade somewhere around here too. It came from here. Now I can take a chance, right? For a quick example, I could take a chance and wait for it to go up because I know that everybody bought it at the supply line. Everybody been buying and it been basically driving the market up. Now, while people's buying, they also selling. This is what you're seeing. So everybody that bought the Bitcoin at $92,000 is still selling. Everybody that bought the Bitcoin at 100 something thousand, at $100,000 even, they're still selling. People that bought it at 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, still selling, right? They're still selling to the people that's coming behind them. So because they're still selling, you see this, the flow of the market. That's why I call it the flow of the market. Because people are buying and they're selling, buying and selling. The people that bought it when it was cheap, they're selling when it get a little bit high. They buy it at 92, of course they're going to sell it at 102, right? And this is what you're seeing right now. Now, see, I could actually take a chance to say, well, I think it's going to actually hit this mark right here and take a chance and take a trade. Or, which I am actually taking a big chance right now, right? Because the market can eventually go down like you see right now, and I could lose some money. So, and I lost 81 bucks because that was a stupid chance to take. So I could take a chance, wait for it to hit this mark, and as you can see, this is going down. Why? Because people is not supporting that line, and it's people selling. So what I could have did, I could have waited until they hit this point, because once it get past this point, all the people that bought the market and drove the price up, now people are now they got to sell that. If they want to make money, if they trading, they're going to have to sell it. So now those people is going to have to sell, right? So I could wait for them to buy the market up, right? They could drive the market back up, buy it at this point, and then once it hits my alarm, right? Once it hit my alarm, or I could buy it right now, actually, or I could sell it right now, or I could sell at this point and wait for the market to go down, make a quick few $100, because you really don't want to take too many sales, buy and selling in this little middle part, because people was buying and selling. So the market is pretty much consolidating a little bit. It's going sideways. You really want to take it at this point. I really usually don't hit it here, which it would have been good if I actually did hit it there. But I really don't like it hit it there because it's not really going past it or anything. And I really like it to cross this line. So I could sit up there and I could wait. That's something that I would take a look at and see what the market's going to do. And as I can see right now, the market, even in this chart, is still going up. But let me explain this. So the people buying and selling, that's what you're seeing right here, right? In the middle of this chart. Because they bought it at 100, at 92,000, 99,000. So of course they're going to want to sell it for, again, 104, 105, 106, 107. At its highest point, it was at $108,000. So that would be like the demand, the highest point of demand. It didn't break past $108,000. Everybody that had it for sale at $108,000, they just sold the market. They just sold all of it pretty much. So it really wasn't nobody coming after them to buy it at 108, things of that nature. So, you know, that's a high point of demand. And right now, this is at a demand, right? So because it's not breaking past like the 104 and 105. It's not breaking past 105,000. It's not breaking past that at all. So what do you do? Well, you know, the market is still going up. You know, the people are still buying Bitcoin and the market is still going up. So what you do, you look at the chart and you look for trades. If you're looking for smaller trades, you could take small sales. Right now, you see the market is at a support line where it has been recently tested and it have not been supported. And as you can see, had I took this trade right here, had I moved this line right here, right, and moved it like a little bit right here, and seeing that people took this trade, right, and it crossed that line, and then it came right back down. Why? Because it's not supporting it. Everybody that hit that certain point on the market, they sell it. They sell all the assets that they have or the trade that they have. They sell it. They want to trade at that point. And that is what the logic of trading. So had I waited and been smart and took that trade and took a sell, went short, I would have made a few dollars at that point. I would have, instead of losing $80, I would have made probably like 80, maybe 100, maybe 200, maybe $200. And probably that probably would have been what I would have been shooting for. Only because I know the market's still going up. So, but again, too, when I look at this chart, I know eventually, if people is buying, they also selling. So eventually, this is going to have to come back down. This is going to have to reach the middle, which I could take a risk right there and say, I could take a risk, and I could go, okay, well, this trade is, even though the market is still going up, I could take a look at this chart and see if it at least reaches middle. But it get confusing because you know the market is still going up, and you see this yellow line right here. It's telling you how the market is going up. So this yellow line, if it's above the purple line, is of course you know it's a sell. If it's below the purple line, of course you know the market's going up. It's a buy. But it's a little bit uneven here, right? Like it's undecided because the market's not moving, right? So I could go, oh well, I could take a trade right here, but then you go, is you going to take a guess, or is you going to just follow the system that you have and basically just go from there? Of course, I would just rather just follow the system that I have. It might go all the way down, at least reach this middle point, might not. It might go all the way down here, might not, right? But I know for sure if it comes all the way down here, it's going to, if it comes all the way down here, most likely it's going to shoot right back up because it have not broken past the support point yet. And I know if it goes all the way up here, most likely it's going to come back down because all of the people that have been buying into the market, at least all of the traders, is going to want to sell. So I know if it comes all the way down here and break past this point, a lot of people that's getting into the market is going to want to buy it because they want to be able to buy into the trade cheap at a cheaper price so they can sell their trade. If it goes all the way up here and support this point, go all the way up here, I know most likely most of the people that bought it already down here is going to want to sell. And I want to go ahead and ride that momentum going on the market going down for a little bit. And that's how you do scalping. That's how you do a scalp trade. But the trades that I want to do, the trades that I'm going to do for certain, because I may not do this trade because I know the market is still going up. But the trades that I'm definitely looking for certain, where I'm using as a priority, is the trades, is the buys down here. So I'm always going to take these trades going up. You know, I may be a little bit concerning about these trades going down, but because the market's going up, I'm always going to take these trades down here. And pretty much most of my trades that I have been taking have been buys. So pretty much almost all the trades I've been taking have been buys, actually. It's just to be honest. So I could just sit back, hang out for a second, be on my computer, look at the market and go into other things and chill out for a second and wait for my alerts to hit, and that would be that. Oh, my alerts again. So pretty sure everybody know what these indicators are, and well, and as you see, it hit an indicator. Now, do I want to take this sell right here? Because it's hitting the indicator and it's hitting it multiple times. Well, I could take a chance, take this sell, see what the market do, get off of there, put my stop loss probably like around 1,000, take a real big risk there. And instantly, I know it's not going to most likely come down, but now since I did that, and I don't want to risk that, go ahead, take it at 100. I'm probably going to make $100 out of this trade. Okay. I'm already in for $100 on the stop loss because I just rode the momentum. And then we could go from here. Taking at 19,000. I'm not going to really 1900. I mean, I know I'm not going to reach 1900. It's going to stop me out. There we go. Boop. Stop me out at 167 bucks. But as you can see, I'm pretty much still in this trade, but the market is still going up. So I could take another sale and risk the 160 something bucks. But as I could see, I see the market is still going up, but eventually it's going to come back down. It's going to come back down eventually. So I could wait till the momentum come back down, or I could wait. You see the market still going up. The market's still going up. Eventually it's going to come back down though. And there it go. And let's see what the trade do. I made 200 bucks already. Oh, 300 bucks. I don't think it's gonna go past that, but just in case it do, at least I'm at 400. I don't think it's gonna go past 400 bucks though. But as you can see, it still ain't get below this yet. And the market still haven't adjusted yet too. So it may go all the way down. I do want to make at least $400. It's going down. Oh, it hits 600, and I'm still above this line right here. So you see that everybody pretty much bought it. Everybody that been buying it down here, because it did reach down here and the market went up. I could have took a trade and the buy down here, but everybody that have been buying it, it reached its peak point up here, and I believe that was probably like around 104, getting close to the 105,000. They have not been breaking past that point at all. It's not telling me how much I made, bro. Okay, I made 400, and I almost made $500, right? It's pretty much in the middle right now, and the market probably going to adjust, so I don't really want to take no part. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my alarm right here, put it back there, because right now it's in the flow. This market and this the RSI, what people don't understand is with the RSI, it do adjust. So the market's still going up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. So you just can't really just take a trade. You really got to let the market flow and wait for the market to basically adjust, because this is letting you know if the market is still adjusting. And right now you can see that it is in a sell. So this is kind of like crossing that sell point. But I don't know. So I might take this trade again, because it is at a sell point right now. What is going on? My bad. But it is at a sell, and it's crossing, so it's continuing to go down. I could have took a sell. I could have literally took a sell, or I can wait. Me personally, it's risky over here, because even though now earlier I have been taking these sells all day. When the line crossed, I literally been taking these sells all day, and I'm probably going to take it again. But I literally have been taking these sales all day, and and every last one of them I won. So I just don't want this to be the time that I record and I lose it. So I don't want to be just the one time I take the sale while I'm recording and I lose. But as you can see, I have already won with 2 sales in a row. And now it's looking like it's about to be 3 in a row. But the market is stopping me out, but you can't really play with this minute chart like that. It's not like I'm trading on an hour chart, so you really got to get what you can get. And I'm a scalper, so this is how I trade, bro. And as you can see, I didn't already, in the matter of maybe like this might with like a 15-minute video, just me looking at these charts for at least 2 or 3. It was like 5-10 minutes. I didn't already made $500, and it looked like I'm about to make more than that. It looked like I'm about to make $800. At least get to 12. Yeah, 207. I could have got that 300. I should have grabbed it when I could. It's good. It's cool. I thought it was going to go down a little bit more. Seemed like it's about to come back up. But like I said, that's me winning another cross trade, actually. Because I technically won, right? So that's me winning another cross trade when the line crossed to the sale. Now these trades is a little tricky. So I took a big loss on one of these sales, but that's only because I have not been looking at the market. I literally just been looking just at the RSI chart, and I took this and I took the sale whenever it crossed, and I took the sale without looking at like the flow of the entire market. Now, of course, you got to look at what's going on as far as the entire market, and you have to look at pretty much the 5-minute chart and the minute chart is the same chart, pretty much. The 45-minute chart, the 45-minute chart and the hour chart is the same chart, not the hour and 2-hour chart. It's the 2-hour chart. The 2-hour chart and the 4-hour chart is pretty much the same chart. It's the 45 and the hour chart. Those 2 charts is the same charts. So minute, 5-minute, same chart. Now, I don't got the thing where you could look at the seconds. I think with the seconds, it's a little bit too much. So. Yeah, so that's pretty much the same chart. Hold up. Here we go. So what we looking at? So the alarm went off. I left for a little bit and the alarm went off. Now, right when that alarm went off, the market came right back down. I'm so mad. So I think we missed that trade, y'all. Oh, no, we didn't. No, we didn't. No, we didn't. No, we didn't. No, we didn't miss that trade. Make it 500 on this trade. I doubt it's gonna go even lower, bro. I mean, we still up here, but it seems like it's going down. It's going down, y'all. Man, I just been destroying these trades. Oh, check this out. Hold up. I got the music on. Okay. But I'm explaining to myself, so, you know, that's fine, bro. But am I whooping on them right now? Yeah. Okay, let me see if I'm at least get 700 out this deal. This is what I like about Trader View. It's not like Metaphor Trade, when Metaphor like wants you to do certain things, and they said like you could do this with Trading View, where they let you do a lot more. Let's see if we go down here. It seems like the market's going down on the minute chart, but the minute chart's not like really telling the whole story. Made 700, but I knew they was gonna do that. That's cool. That's cool. I really should have took it at 800 though, but I'm fine with that, right? You can't win them all. I mean, I technically won, right? And then what I'm gonna do right here, I'm gonna go ahead and take this right here. That right there. And I've been getting it in on Binance, huh? This the Binance chart. And it seems like I've been getting it in on Binance, bro. I've been getting it cracking like in on Binance. Trading on Binance. I've been getting it cracking like in. Right? I've been getting it groovy on there. I'm for real. I only trade on Binance. I don't know what this is. This Bitstamp trade. Binance to Tether. Yeah, okay. Yeah, this Bitstamp, they trade Tether. Now, Binance trade Tether. And Coinbase trading $1. I've been getting it in, man. Let me see if I can bang out. Now, where I've been messing up at with this, though, just gonna be honest. I've been trading on Binance and I've been trading on Binance and Tether at the same time. So I've been taking trades on Binance and I've been taking trades on Tether. Now some of the trades I've been taking like real risky ones. So I've been taking them like, boom, when it hits here, that trade going to stop, and then it's going to hit here, and then when it hit there, that trade's going to stop, and it's going to hit here. So I may take out a sell right here. I will wait for this alarm to hit, but instead of an alarm, this is just a little bit of advanced type stuff, but it's risky. Instead of an alarm, when that alarm hit, it will all. And once I put a sell mark right here, like say this alarm hit, then I will put the line drawn right there, and I have like a sell. I would basically do the calculations and have a sell mark right there. So when that alarm hit, it's automatically gonna take either a sell, and when a buyer hit, it's automatically gonna take a buy. Sometimes the trade be going simultaneously though. And then when it does that, when I hear the alarm hit and go bing bing, I'm like, oh shoot, well the trade, boop, and I set the trades up. And then I have like 3 or 4 trades doing that on Binance and Bitstamp and Coinbase. That's what got me $50,000 in 3 days. That's literally what got me $17,000. Actually, that's how I'm like up where I'm at right now. But since then, I done made over maybe what you could say $30,000 in a matter of a week. I only really trade on weekends. Okay, I don't know what that is, bro. But I only trade on weekends, bro. So can't hate the player, man. Hate the game. But yeah, I mean, as you can see right now, I lost 1 trade, but won plenty. I won 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades in a row. I lost 1. I lose. It's just literally like a pattern, bro. I lose 1 trade, then win 5. That's pretty good, right? I think it's pretty good. Oh man. Okay. Let's get into the gist of it. Excuse me, my computer screen is messing up. That's why I'm keep putting my mic on mute too. Okay. Oh man. There we go. What did that mean? Never seen that before. I guess they saying you're doing too much. All right. Well, now usually I just go into other stuff. I literally would just look at YouTube and just hang out on YouTube, and then I'll look at my stuff and all that kind of stuff, and boop, goes down here. But you know, since I'm making a video, we just go to the trade. But literally, I could just basically do whatever I want to do, hang out for a second, and literally just wait. Check the market, see where the market's going, see how it's doing. Let's go, boom, take that, take a look at that. See, I already knew it was in the upward trend anyway, because I don't want to drill these upward trend markers. So right now it's still consolidating, but it's coming off an uptrend. I make most of my money. You see, a lot of these like YouTube traders, they idiots because they tell you that you don't make no money on consolidation. I make almost all of my money on consolidation, bro. Okay, let's look at the calculator. Where I was at $27,000. Okay, where I'm at now. Okay, I lost 81 bucks, 81.75. Okay. Then gained right after that 85 bucks. I mean $57 and okay, let's do this. Hold up. See my alarm going off now, bro. Alright, where I'm at. That's actually for Okay. It doesn't matter. I'll put it back here. It don't seem like it rich. I don't know why did it ring. I don't see no reason why it would ring. Right. Let's see. Yeah, it look like it's going up. Oh, I had it right here. Yeah, that was an old trade that I was trying to do. It just now hit that. Okay. Yeah, I had it right here for a while. See, as you can see, the market is still going up, right? And it's still going up after all of that. So the minute chart is literally just for scalp trading. It's just literally just telling you. I go in, me, I don't know about anybody else. A lot of people don't know how to trade in the minute chart. A lot of people don't know how to trade 5 in 1 minute. But with me, they just real quick trades. That's what they are. Whenever I'm trading on an hour chart, they're real long-term trades. I'm looking for trades like this. Hit right here, go all the way down here. If I was trading like on an hour chart, I would be waiting for it to come back here in this section. Or I would be putting a new marker right here and I'll be waiting for it to come back here. Or I would be putting it right there, then I'll be waiting for it to come back here. Because that's the only time that these markers is even going to show anything about the hour chart. So that's what I would be doing. But I'm not trading with the hour chart. I'm using the hour chart to tell me the flow of the trade for the minute charts because I'm scalping. Which actually, if you're trading on an hour chart, you're technically scalping. That's like the real scalping anyway. So you're technically scalping either way it goes. So it doesn't matter. And I'm actually reaching that point again. I think I could take a sell though. I think it's gonna reach it. Boop! Reached it. It's not staying there. And there we go. Here we go. So I can see where I'm at, and it's at 190. Let's get $100 out of this. Like I said, real quick trades. I could literally take that $200 if I want to. I want to just see where it's gonna go. Now, a lot of people, like my pops, he's more risky because he really don't care about that stuff, about doing this. He literally would just let it go and go up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. So he'll wait for it to be negative. Me, I'd rather just get my money like right on point. Okay, I want at least 200. Even if I get 150 or something, I'm all right. Okay, let's add this up, man. So I probably got 150. Oh, I got 190. Okay. I think I could take another trade though. Okay, it's going back up, but it's going back down, bro. Yeah. It might go back up and test this. It seems like it's not though. Sometimes the trades be doing these little fake outs. You may take a loss. I took this trade. Now you see how I didn't go with the system? I really took a risk right here. Why did I take a risk? Because I didn't wait for it to come back to this line, to cross this line right here. So I really took a risk. I'm betting that the trade, even if it do hit this line, it's going to come right back down anyway, and then it's going to go ahead and continue to sell. But the people that have been buying it, they bought it all the way up to this point yet again, and they're going to sell it. Pretty much, the people that already bought it up, it's going to sell it. So that's the theory. So it's just not me just, guessing what's going on. I'm pretty sure we can find better little music, bro. Alright, now let's check this out. Let's get back to it. Oh, whoa, wait a minute. Whoa. Hey, bro, what's going on? Hey, what's going on? Get back to it. As you can see, if you see my calculator, okay, that's my calculator. That's the money that I made so far. Keep it at $3. That's the money I made so far. Okay, if you can see my little calcy. Okay, if y'all can see that. I'm at $58 right now. Okay, so where was I? 57. Then you add $4.98 plus 38 cents. You cancel me, bitch. Okay. You canceled me. And it canceled me at $32 like I thought they was gonna do to me. 207. Alright, hold up. I ain't added yet. No, I'm at 3,200. Then you got 207, 59. Then you got 788, 37. Then you got 190. Now I really could stop trading right now because this is like a lot of money right now. Then you subtract $32. And I made today 4,418 cents. That's probably going to be the max I make, but it might not. If I could take a few more trades today, I might be okay. But I don't want to take too many. It's kind of risky, but ain't nothing risky. But as you can see with my system that I have, it's not really risky for me actually, because I actually know how to do this now. Hold up. But I've been doing this for like a year. I've been really working the same system for a year. I've been really trying out multiple things, and I still got new things that I want to try out in the market. But crypto is my favorite trading mechanism. I love it. What you gonna do, brother? See if you're gonna reach up here. You reach past this point and then you pass this point. So here's my idea. Now this is usually what I do. Once it reached past this point, as you can see, it's still going down. So I could have made some money there. Once it reached past this point, then it reached past this point here. I know for a fact that it's going to go down. So I'm really going to be trading, not in between these lines. I'm trading when it crossed both of them. That's the theory, anyway. You guys probably can't see that. No. I'm tripping. Let's go to it. No, that's the calculator. Let's get to it. Let's do this, y'all. Get out of this mode real quick. Let's get out of this thing. Let's check this out. Yeah, it's giving me trouble, man. For absolutely no reason at all, it's giving me trouble. Wow, it's literally like, seriously, bro? Whoa, for real? Oh, wow. Yeah, so yeah, it's only letting me show this part, which is weird. Weird. Okay. Oh wow, this is getting super weird, bro. Okay, let's see something. Okay, I guess it's not trying to show my trades now, man. This is weird. It's literally blocking. Okay, there we go. But I don't know if y'all could even see that. It's showing here, but it's not showing. Whoa, then it turned that off. What the? Okay, let's do this. Boom, there it go. It's being a prick. Maybe it's because of that. Showing that, but it's not showing it. That's the Discord. Maybe I gotta probably go on Discord, but if it's giving me problems on here, it's definitely gonna give me problems. Let's do this. Yeah, let's do this, y'all. Let's do this. We're gonna try this, y'all. Alright. Oh man, I really don't like that. That it just did me like that. Window close capture. It's literally not showing. Okay, there you go. Hey, what are you doing, bro? Transform, fit that. My bad, y'all. I literally gotta fix this. And it's probably my fault. And excuse if my little logo or whatever is like getting in the way or something. My bad about that. Okay, I think it's ready now. Let's do it. Boop. There we go. Now we back. We back in high demand now. Everything's straight here. There we go. Now I'll put my calculator back here. One thing about trading, you always gonna need your calculator. But you guys can't see my calculator. You're only looking at my screen, which is cool. All right. Where I'm currently at. Whoa! Now you erased my history. Holy crap. Yeah, I was at 4,400. I know I was a little bit less than that. More than that, I mean. So let's just give me, and I subtract that, $32, 52. $32 and 52 cents. I put me at 4,300. I know I was at 44, y'all. But I'm going to start from 43. I know I was at above 44, though. Okay. I don't know, man, if I'm officially kicking behind on this trade thing or not. I don't know. I think I'm kicking behind on this. Okay. See, if I would have took that trade there and kept that trade going, it would have went all the way down here, and I would have made like $400-500. But I didn't. It's cool. Better be safe than sorry, right? Let's see where I'm at. Is the market still in the uptrend or not? Well, it was in the past uptrend here, but now I consolidated within between here. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom. Still kind of in the uptrend, right? Right? There you go. Let's see if we share. Yeah, it's still in like a little bit of an uptrend. It's a zig, boom. Hopefully it go right here, right? That's what I've been trying to trade it to, actually. And it seemed like it's going to reach that point. I really wanted to hit down here, and boom. I've been trading over here, though. If I was a genius, I would have took that trade there and left it there, and I would have been doing all these little trades. But it's cool. I pretty much made all the money y'all can make. I mean, I made $4,000 today, but had I took that big trade, I would have made maybe like 10, 17. See, that's the difference between scalping and taking, like doing little swing trades, but like scalping on a lower scale and scalping on a bigger scale. That's the difference. But I'm all right where I'm at, right? I mean, I haven't even lost a trade yet. I actually lost these two trades just playing around. But I won 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I won 5 trades. So say those was my only trades that I took today. You got 190 plus 718 plus 207 plus 498 plus 57 bucks. Subtract 81 bucks. Great. Subtract. What's that? 32 bucks. Let's say 33. 33 bucks. I would have made 1,626 bucks. And how long I've been doing this stream? Like an hour? I think I've been doing this stream for like an hour, bro. Let me see. Yep, for like an hour. So I'm not gonna make this like too long of a stream. I'm probably gonna stop this video right here. But as you can see, I'm doing great. Might be ready, bro. Let me see. Let's get back here. Let's get back to where I was at. Take this 5. Take a look at this 5-minute chart. I'm thinking of an idea. I'm thinking I might take that trade, but it's a little risky. And that be like my little problem I be having. Sometimes I be wanting to take trades when I'm not around, where I'm not sitting in front of the computer, and I'll literally take a trade and go to sleep and wake up. But I'd rather play it safe. I got my alarms already set, so there's no reason for me to take that risk. So pretty much I made $43,000 so far. I made 43 grand. Let's see. Wait, not 43,000. I'm tripping. Not 43,000. I'm my bad, y'all. I made 4,300 today. And trading live, I made 1,600 trading live. Now tell me something, bro. Check this out. Have anybody showed y'all that? Let's just be honest, bro. Have anybody showed y'all that? I don't think so. I don't think nobody showed y'all live trading and making money. So that means if y'all was trading with me live today and y'all took the same trades that I took today, just trading Bitcoin on Coinbase and Bitstamp and Binance, you guys would have made 1,600 bucks trading with me. I don't think nobody can even demonstrate that, bro. I mean, not at least not nobody I seen. Nobody I seen on none of these channels have demonstrated them trading live, making money, where you could trade with them, put in the same trades as them, and come up with results. Well, even on a practice scale, come up with results. So I think that's what I'm doing. So I wonder what these guys gonna do, because I don't think these guys is actually, well, I'm not gonna hate on nobody, but I'm just saying it seems like I'm the real deal and these guys is not. That's what I'm just saying, bro. I don't know. I mean, we could look at a random video right now while we waiting for this another trade to come through. Click and check this real quick. It's still going down. It seems like it's going down, y'all. Seems like it's going down. Okay. Well, let the market flow. Yeah, it seemed like this. Look at a random scalp trader. Random scalp trader. Let's see him trade live. Let's see what video you come up with. Let's just check this guy out. See what video. We'll see what he's gonna say. Let's see what he gonna say, y'all. Like, why are these black dudes though? They try to be tough. You know what I'm saying? Like, what is the purpose of that, bro? And he like, and look at what he's already saying. Something stupid, bro. He's saying, I made $1,000, make $1,000 in a day, right? I thought he said make $1,000 in 10 minutes. I'm like, this dude is lying. But he said make $1,000 in a day. How to scalp? Make $1,000 a day, bro. I just made $4,000, bro. I made $1,000. Y'all seen what I did. I mean, I wonder what this guy gonna do, because you just seen what I did, bro. Just on the fly. I wasn't even trying for real. I was just following my same program. But y'all seen what I did. I made $1,000 in literally. Let me get up out of here. Let me go on my thing. Everybody trying to we good in here. That's what's going on in here. I want to back stupid. No. Chill spot. That's where I'm gonna go. And this is what I'm gonna do. Doing my own thing. That's what I'm gonna do too. Yep. Oh. Can I do that, bro? What is this? Let me see something real fast, y'all. What is this, bro? Okay. I guess. So we gonna check this out, bro. Okay. We definitely gonna check this out for a second. Okay, let's check it out. I like this, bro. Small window. And it's not even playing. It's playing. Hold up. I'm learning something right now. Oh, that's raw, bruh. Oh, I didn't even know that. So what it's doing is it's going to my window. It's going to my small window. Yeah. Reacted to that. All right, my screen messed up. Okay, here we go. Don't. Oh, that's nice, man. I like that. Okay. I like that, bro. All right. Shit, fucked up now. I'm about to say it messed up now. Like it totally destroyed itself now. I played with it too much. Like, dude, you play it too much, bro. Get up out of here. All right, yeah, it's going off of that window. Cool. All right, now I know I can do that in Discord. I'm good. All right. I do got a few people on Discord. We are recording this for everybody that's in here. Everybody that's just now joined. This is a trading session. But as y'all see, man, and look, as y'all can see, I didn't already made. Let's see. I didn't already made $1,600 in a matter of like, look, in a matter of, let's just say an hour. I made $1,600 in an hour. This guy saying you can make $1,600 in a day. I mean, who's better at this point? Who should be teaching classes, me or him? I mean, I don't know. That's kind of like why I'm like teaching right now, right? But check this out. Everybody that's just now coming in my Discord, everybody, you are welcome. Like I said, we are practicing trading, led by Rez Joe, aka Tony Man, and yeah, we hanging out right now, right? Anybody that have any questions, please save your questions for like later on, bro. All right, what we gonna do here, bro? Okay, let's check this guy out. Like, why these guys?
What's up, YouTube?
Why these guys be thinking they tough, bro? Like, why would anybody take any advice from this guy right here? And he got 800,000 subscribers. I gotta do this. I gotta do this griff. Like, I mean, you got this dude here sitting here with a baseball cap, with a chain and a freaking hood and whatever this sweater is on. Don't look professional at all. I mean, at least look the part, bro. At least wear a polo or something. I mean, come on now. Polo, some khakis, some look like you ready to do business. I mean, wear a suit or something, bro. Like, these guys all want to look cool for absolutely no reason, man. I don't get it.
Listen,
but I'm not hating.
In today's video, we're going to learn about scalping. What is scalping?
I mean, if he was telling me how to make a beat or how to make a rap song or something like that, then I'll listen to him. But I mean, why would I listen to you talk about trading? You look like that.
No. A time frame to use, what to avoid, and how to look for scalps. Check it out, guys. This is a trading strategy that I love.
Yeah, he's going to tell you the very basic thing of trading, something that's not going to help you, something that's not going to do anything. I done listened to all of these videos, and none of them work. So what I showed you absolutely worked because I'm showing you it live. I'm showing what's actually working for me. And it's guaranteed to work because it's live. So I don't know. Let's do it.
To use on a daily basis, okay? I call it being a sniper though, okay? So that's what I'm referring to when I'm talking scalping. It's really being a sniper. I'm going to teach you guys about one shot, one kill today. Listen, do me a favor. Please make sure you like and subscribe.
Being a sniper, what is he talking about? It's just Skyping, bro. Like, that's it. I mean, I guess he's saying sniping if he's going to take quick trades, which is categorized as scalping. But I don't know what is this Skyping? What's the sniper thing about? Like,
sure you hope this video get a lead.
I mean, like, be technical, bro. Like, it makes absolute. You see how everything that I explain is basically technical. The reason why I'm explaining it in that manner, the reason why I am being technical in that manner, is because. Well, let's turn this guy off for a second. All right. It's not aligning with my chart. but I guess it reached its middle point, right? Let's see what it do. It's probably going to ride the momentum even going back up because it's at its halfway point. So check this out. The market is flowing. People have sold, but now it's stopping at this point right here. So either the market is going to go back up and reach this point, then come back down again, or the market is going to shoot all the way down. Now, this will be something where if the market was in the downtrend, which it kind of is, it is kind of turning into going into a downtrend a little bit, but it slightly went back up, but it is coming like off a downtrend and came down, went up, then it's coming down slightly again. But that's not enough information for me to say I'm gonna take this trade of take a sell going down, which I freaking did any freaking way, which is stupid. Okay, Tony, make $32 and get out this trade. Yeah, it would have tricked me, y'all. I'm just not that risky. Okay, but yeah, as you can see, the market is going up. It's still in the uptrend, actually. You know, if you look at the overall hour chart, the market is still going up. I mean, there's no doubt about it. The market is still going up. It's still in this slight uptrend. This would have been doing for the past 2-3 days. And now it's been going up. Now we're looking to the 4-hour chart. The market has just been going up. So every chart is saying that the market's going up. So I should only be looking for buys. And that's what I'm actually doing. I'm actually only really looking for buys. And if I'm actually looking for buys and I'm scalping, I'm only going to really take buy trades where you see it's actually going down. I'm only going to take these buy trades down here. So I can pull the mark right there. And I can actually take this buy trade actually. And it still might reach past this point because it still ain't hit this buy rate yet. Not quite yet, anyway. But as you can see, it looks like it's going to go down right here. But that's still a pretty good point to take it, but I really wouldn't take a buy there. But the market's going up anyway, so it's working in my favor. Took kind of a risk. And let's see, I put my stop loss at 300 for now. See what the market do. See if it's going to actually go back up to that midpoint. See if people still going to buy into it. Let's check it out. Let's see what's going to happen. We got $19, you guys. Now, as you've been seeing, I've been taking sales, trading really against the market because I waited for the people to buy the market going up to its point. Because the market have been in a downtrend right here. And that's what I've been trading. So we're going to see if this is going to go up now. And then if I could catch it on an uptrend, this is where I can make a lot of money tonight. Because, I mean, I could keep taking longer buys. And because I know the market's going to go up, I could take more of a risk. It seems like the market's being undecided of what they want to do. But here you see right here, it's at that cross point again, which means that the market is going into an uptrend again. Remember, the market was coming down all the way until this point. That's why I was taking mostly sales. So, but it's at that cross point again. I'm trading it again at the cross. So I think I could wait a little bit. Now, I'm actually taking a loss right now because I didn't wait for my alarm to hit. I literally just took a buy just because. So it's more of a risky trade because I didn't wait for my indicator to actually give me the signal to actually take that trade. See, the reason why my alarms is going off because I got them set at strategic points. Really supposed to wait for this alarm to go off down here. That's a strategic point because that means it's way below the expectation of the trade, which means it's trading below market, which means eventually people is going to buy it within market. Everybody that's buying it below market are getting the deal, which means they're getting the market for cheap. They're getting it cheaper. So people going eventually is going to basically keep buying it until it goes up. That's just what it got to do as far as the price. I'm still below $29. Let's see what happens. Yeah, I could probably check this guy out. It might go back down. Now, what I could do, I could just basically take this L with this $29 and wait for it to come down. That's what I'm thinking I'm doing. But I'll do this instead. How about this? I'll just lose. How about I just lose $83? $81 been my lucky number. Right? How about this? I just win $40, right? I'm being a sniper. All right, where I'm at. All right, I won $11. Yeah, because I want to wait for this trade to come down, actually. That means I know it's coming down. It's like an indicator I'm using. Okay, we back where we at. We back where we was at. Now, I could make a trade, make a sell trade for it to come down since I'm waiting for it to do that anyway. But that would be risky because now I'm just betting that I know for a fact that it's going to go down. It may not go down. It may go up. It may go all the way up to this middle point and it may stay there, right? Or it may not. Or it may not go all the way up, right? It may come down and stop here. You see what I'm saying? So, or it may just stay here. And then I'll just be losing every time. So, it's too risky. It's too many scenarios. I always like to keep it to one or two scenarios. When I know it's at this point, it's either one or two things is going to happen. It's already trading below market. So it's either a bunch of people who are going to buy it below market, which would drive the price up, or people is going to keep buying it at that point until they drive the price down, or keep selling at this point until they drive the price down. So either people buying or selling when it's trade where the price is below market. Either people's most likely buying here. And then up here, people was either buying or selling, most likely selling here. Now within this, they could be buying or selling, or there is no most likely in there whatsoever, because the market is either going up or the market is either going down. But eventually it will either hit this point or this point, especially when you're scalping. That's the beauty of scalping. That's what people really got to understand. Okay, let's check this guy out since we've got some time on our hands.
1,000 likes, and without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. What is scalping? Scalping is a trading strategy geared towards profiting from minor price changes.
Now, again, what I was explaining to you guys earlier before I was rudely interrupted, whenever you explaining this stuff, you got to be like technical. Now, I see he's trying to be a little bit technical, by giving a definition, but he's using like little buzzwords that's not technical. So I'm not really going to use too many buzzwords whenever I'm explaining these things. I try to be as technical as by the book as possible. That way, whatever I'm saying, you could look up what I'm saying. Whenever I'm saying these terminologies, I'm not going to come with any slang or any nonsense. I'm going to try to be as technical as possible. That way, you could either go on ChatGPT or go into like a Google site and look up the definitions of what I'm actually saying, and then you could get a better understanding of what I'm actually saying whenever I'm taking these trades. So that's why I say sales short, buy long. That's why I'm saying that stuff, you know, and that's why I'm saying trading below market, trading above market, or supply and demand. The reading, then I go on to explain what supply is and explain what demand is. That way you get an understanding of, okay, and now I know what he's looking for, and now I know why he's doing what he's doing. Not just random buzzwords where people are like, what the hell do that even mean? Because if you just say, oh, I'm gonna give you a bunch of buzzwords, and then you're gonna read a definition, people gonna already be lost with the definition. People want to see you do it live and see you put it in practical use. Practical use, or saying whatever you're saying in practical terms. People could listen to what you're saying and see you do it live. So I just think that's make more sense to me. Hold up.
Changes in a stock price. Traders who implement this strategy may
1 minute. All right.
I'm almost afraid to let go, but this is the only way I'll ever know. So I'm gonna take one more chance on love.
Okay, we back. All right, we back. Where was we?
I'm almost afraid to let go, but this is the only way I'll ever know. So I'm gonna take one more.
Let's get to it.
One more chance. Oh.
Okay, let's check this guy out.
Place anywhere from 10 trades to a few hundred trades in a single day. Key takeaways: scalping is a trading strategy in which traders profit off small price changes for a stock. Scalping relies on technical analysis such as candlestick charts and the MACD for execution. The small profits earned with this technique can multiply provided the trader consistently uses exit strategies to mitigate losses and reap gains. Guys, this particular trading style, this particular trading strategy is one that allows you to get in and get out. It is one that allows you to see profit, take profit. It is one that requires you not to overstay your welcome. Listen guys, today I'm going to walk you through some of the plays that I show you, my $100 a day or my $1,000 a day. Although it's more than that, I want to show you realistic, attainable trades every single person can take as long as you learn these things. Okay, without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it.
See, my thing
guys,
is,
one of the things you want to start off with.
so here you go. See, you see what I'm saying? Anybody can do this, bro. Like, I can literally do this right now and always lose in the market. I can literally look at this. You can't even see this, bro.
Time frame.
Look how fast he did this.
As long as you learn these things, okay? Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys.
Look at this. Like, you can't even see nothing. Hey, look. Isn't this the Yahoo chart, bro? Like, what the fuck is this? Like seriously though, you can't even see nothing. Like, this not. What is this showing you? This is not showing you anything whatsoever. Let's give this guy a chance, bro.
One of the things you want to start off with is understanding which time frame is best used for scalping. In today's example, I'm going to show you how to scalp using the 5-minute chart. Let's go ahead and dive into it. Check it out, guys. I got the 5-minute chart circled here. And what I want you guys to do is, here is market open, okay? We had a gap up, all right? We closed here, we gapped up there. And so this is where we're at right here. The stock went up and down, but what we noticed out the gate, okay, was that this, let me get this out the way. This 13 EMA operated as this. Stock went up and down, but what we noticed out the gate, stock went up and down.
Now notice he's not showing you any of these things live. He's just basically saying, oh, we noticed this happened in the past, up and down in the past. Yeah, but that's not going to happen all the time, bro. Yeah, like, you're not showing us that you was able to handle that trade live. Like, even if you was just working with just paper practice money or whatever, it would have been better for you to show this strategy live. You see what I'm saying? So, I mean, it makes no sense, like, honestly. Like, even if you was to say, like, hey, I'm just going to show you how to do scalp trading, that's not how I particularly trade, so I'm going to show you on the paper with practice money on how to do it. Now, somebody might be a dickhead and be like, oh, well, you just showing us with practice money. This is just all conceptual and all idea. Like, yeah, so this is like one of the strategies that you can use. It's not like a strategy that I'm using right now because I already got trades in. You can sit up here and say, like, I already got trades in. Or right now, I don't want to take the risk because right now I'm teaching you guys. You could say something like that. But you just basically saying, oh, I took this trade yesterday. Look at it. Like, what the fuck? Like, who cares, bro? And then you're not even showing the actual trade. You're not even showing it. Then you trade on a 5-minute chart, which make a little bit of sense, but I'd rather trade on a minute chart. 5-minute chart, minute chart is pretty much the same chart though.
Down, up and
To do any like real scalping to be in and out.
down, but what we
Honestly, if you trade on a 5-minute chart, you better off trading on a 15-minute chart. You would take better trades because 5-minute charts, you literally waiting 5 minutes in order to see the thing even move. So,
notice out the gate, okay, was that this, let me get this out the way. This 13 EMA operated as initial support. So this candle wick came down.
Now he's saying like this is an initial support. Based on what? You saying this 13 MMA? That's not how you do MMAs, bro. Like, I don't know. See, this is why I always use these two charts right here. This is the only the MMA that you actually need. The one that tell you the flow of the market within the market. Whatever is going on within inside of this is just the flow of the market. All of this is basically based on low probability that you're going to be correct. Now you did have a cross right here just now, right? And you see, I was tempted to actually take this trade. Going up the market, but I actually set my indicators, my alerts, where I wanted to set them, because you can never trade within this blue line. I mean, if you are, you're just speculating because it's too probable. The probability is low because there's too many things that's happening around this trade. The market is not even moving that much, but it's too many things that's happening. Now, some people are like, oh, well, they'll never hit there or never get there. It will eventually get there. The market will eventually go down past a point where people is buying below market. And whenever the price gets below market, everybody's going to buy into it. And once everybody buys into it, the price is going to go up. Why the price is going to go up? Because why the price is going to go up? Because everybody's buying. Now everybody that bought down here, right, during the supply mark, everybody that bought down here that usually get past this mark, that's when the selling begins. But it don't change the fact that people are still buying here, because they're going to buy and drive the market up. And once they drive the market up, everybody that bought from here and across the line from here is going to want to sell up here. You're still going to get some people that's selling around this mark. They're just trying to take quick trades. But you got people that's buying at this mark because they know the market is eventually going to go up here anyway. And once the market goes up to the point where now people is buying above market, that is an indicator for everybody to sell. With the people that bought below here, it's an indicator for them to sell. Now, this is definitely relevant in stocks, if you trade in stocks. But it's the same with Forex, the same with crypto, what I'm trading right now and everything. But see, that's my alert. Now, I could have took that trade going down because it had hit this cross. Now I could take this trade, hit this cross mark right here, which means the market is going down. But the market is going down, but it's trading below value. Let's go. Market's going down. It seems like it's going to go right back up. See, a lot of people be like, oh, the market's going down. I'm going to trade on the trend that's going down. You can't really do that all the time. Had I not had this indicator, I wouldn't have known that. But the market definitely got to go back up at some point. So now I'm losing $100. That ain't too bad. Now check this out. Now had I was trading with just what he's talking about with an MMA, I would have took a trade going down instead of up. You about to see I'm about to make some money. You see this MMA right here? This is what he's talking about. And he's talking about a candle wick. A candle wick don't always explain everything. It's not even I don't even use candle wicks as indicators to even get into the market, man. Especially when you scalping. You scalping, you're really supposed to be trading of the flow of the market. That's what you trading. Look at this. I'll take a look at that. And see, it's still trading below market. So that means people is going to eventually buy it because it's below market. People see that, it's going to go, well, it's below market. It's only like 11:58. People ain't go to sleep yet. But then you got people across the world that's still trading crypto, especially crypto. You got people across the globe still trading. I mean, it's only U.S. stocks that actually stop trading at a certain time. At 4 o'clock. Okay, it's going back down. Man, I wish I would have took a sale up there. Eventually, it's going to come back up. It's going up, down, up, down, up, down. Staying right here. I'm risking $287. A lot of people ain't trading right now. It's going up. Now I could go ahead and be greedy and be like, oh, I'm gonna take this little $24. Which a lot of people, what I recommend if you're a beginner, just take the $20-something, actually. Especially if you scalping, just take the little $20-something. Because as you can see right here, it's coming right back down. It's going to hit that mark again. So actually, I kind of took that trade a little bit too quick. I didn't do my 2-line rule. Where I put a line here, then I put a line there, and wait for it to hit here, then wait for it to hit there. That's what I'm going to start doing on this buy, because it is lightweight going in a downtrend right now. Well, I'm risking $287. I'm already up 4,000. You see, this is not. I automatically know this is going to happen. I don't know what's going to happen. I only know the probability of what's going on. The probability is that most likely is trading below market, so eventually it would go up. It's going to hit that, and then it's going to eventually go up again. So even when it hit that 156, I'm still going to take a trade, and I'm going to take another trade of a buy. Let me risk even $322. Let's keep hitting that $26. It hit 41.57. We going into profit at $100. Let's see if it's going to hit 2. Let's risk $66. 126 coming down again. I think it's going to go all the way up. I think it's going to go all the way to that mid part right here again. That's where I think it's going to go. That's $100. 75. I'm risking 66. I think it's still going to go up though. Take another trade. Oh, I had 44, bro. I think it's still going to go up though. Okay. We got ourselves in the pickle, being greedy. I could have just took that $44 and been happy. But I think it's still going to go up because it did reach that point. It reached this point twice. It came down and then came right back up here. And it went down and it went all the way up. I think it might do that again. What I'm risking, I could risk a little bit more. Let's risk $400. Forget it. I haven't lost that many trades to be sitting up here being scared to risk some money. $50. Let's see. Where we at? Let's look at this indicator right here. This is where I look at my MMA. And I see right now that it crossed. And it's way above here right now. So it's supporting my theory right now that the market is going into a slight uptrend. Trying to come down, but it's not supporting it coming down. $145. I'm low. I'm losing. That's fine. Oh man, my buy's been killing me in the uptrend, bro. Let's go. I haven't been killed yet though. I just not been made money. I just didn't make any money yet. Right. Made like around like $87 or something like that. Maybe like $88. Okay. Market's not moving. All right, let's look at this dude again. We're gonna see what's happening. I got the indicator set.
Bounced off of that, and then the stock got an up move. Okay, so guess what you want to do is time your entries once you have allowed the first 5 to 15 minutes to pass, because it allows you to establish where support is at. Okay, and look at this indicator, the 13 EMA in this example on the 5-minute chart, and look at how it served as a quick $1,000.
See, that's another thing too. He ain't even okay. He's talking about this at 13 MMA. I'm just using the regular standard one. I believe that's the one that's best for scalping actually. But let's go into the strategy. And again, he's not doing this live. He's just basically taking his trades that he won, and basically saying, "This is what you want to do, dude." It's a probability, dude. Trading is about probability, and whether you have a low probability or whether you have a high probability. That's what trading is. Either it's going to happen. It's more probable to go down or sell, or it's more probable to buy. That's where you're trying to figure things out. It's not really about the indicators. The indicators is only telling you the flow of the market. Like, that's the only thing that you really should be explaining when you're talking about indicators. You're just talking about the flow of the market. That's what I'm basically trying to get to with whoever I'm talking to in here.
Play. Let's go ahead and dive into it.
You guys.
The stock came down and it hit right there. That's our entry for a scalp, okay? And then from here, we got in, and then look at 1 green candle, 2 green candles, 3, 4. We went here.
See, he's making a claim that he got in at the how we know? How do we know that he did that? You see what I'm saying? He just claiming he did it. It's just basically, trust me, bro. Like, that's what I don't like about these people. Trust me, bro. I totally hit this trade right here. How I know? Like, you see what I'm saying? You could very well be lying. See, I lost that trade. Ooh, I lost $400 too. Oh, lost $400, y'all. Okay, that's fine. I should have just stayed at the $44. Nah, it may go right back up. Let's do this. Alert, maintain. No, I'd rather just keep it here. I don't want it there. I want it here. We are doing a brief daily maintain. Yeah, man. Get rid of this alert. I don't need it. What is that? We are doing a brief daily maintenance. Alerts will be back really soon. Thank you for your patience. Oh, whoa. Holy crap. They done took my alerts away. That's fine. Holy crap. Did that take my alerts away from here too, bro? Man, I wonder if this chart is even working. Oh, they played me. Oh, these bastards. They played me, bruh. Oh. They rocked me sweet. They said the alerts wasn't working, so this chart wasn't working at all. Oh, they did me dirty, y'all. Oh, they did me dirty. Yeah, they wrong. They wrong, man. They did me dirty, man. Oh, that's crazy how they did me, y'all. Oh, why you gonna take my fucking trade? Oh, they did me super dirty. Then they gonna stop my trade. The indicator did me dirty, man. It played me. It acted like the indicators wasn't working, but really in reality, this whole chart wasn't working. I really wanted to hit this second indicator, but I think it's going to go up from here. It did me super dirty, man. Oh, wow. That's crazy, man. That is crazy. Okay. Where I'm at. Let's get to it, man. It did me so crazy. That is insane. Yeah, it did me dirty, y'all. All right, let's risk $22. I'm thinking I'm just gonna take this. Hold up, what happened? Made like $100 on that. Where I'm at. $1.75. It did me so crazy. It don't even make sense. It did me so nuts, man. See, the thing about trading too, you gotta be a little bit more calm. I'm definitely calm. I'm definitely having fun. I'm chilling. But you definitely gotta keep your composure, right? So we at $4,000 right now. I gotta get that 400 back. All right, it seems like it's about to hit this. Is it about to hit it? Nah, I really could take a sale at this point, but I'd rather not. Let's just see what it's gonna do. I don't know why I keep doing that. Do, 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 do. There we go. 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 $4.95. Made that little money back, right? And then the market is doing exactly what I wanted it to do from the very beginning, bro. Sometimes it's like that, you know what I'm saying? But you can't get see the mark. See the thing is, you can't get tempted. See, if I would have got tempted and tried to take that trade again, it would have came right back down. Would have lost all that money. It's fine. It's fine, bro. I caught a $500 play. I'm cool. Cool, calm, and collective. Now we're gonna have to reset this whole process all over again because right now it's too far and it's in the weeds. Don't ever take the risk. You see what happened with me. You see what happened with me. I lost $400. I lost $400 when I took a risk playing inside of here. If you look at my trades, you will see where I lost at. I lost playing inside of here. I took an immediate trade here. Then the markets, and I ended up losing $400. I mean, literally, I'm right back where I started. 495. Add that to the bricks. I'm at 4,500. I only made $100 since, we did a little update. So I'm right back where I started. Market's going up. I ain't tempted to play with that. You can do whatever you want to do. All right. Let's look at this dude.
And that was your.
Now y'all see what I just did, right? I'm doing this live. I'm showing you live examples. So if I was to do these type of videos, man, I would show you live examples of what I'm doing. I'm not everything I'm doing is gonna be live stream. I'm not gonna sit up here and be like, oh well, you can do this, you can do that. I'm not gonna even play them games with you, man. You know what I'm saying? Or I'm not gonna say, oh, I took this trade yesterday. Out of the thousands of trades that I lost, I took this trade yesterday, and this is what I did. Like, dude, you got lucky, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying?
Your exit. Okay. Boom.
See, I'm letting you guys know where my mind is at, why I'm taking the trade, what am I looking for in order to take the trade. Then I'm actually taking the trade. Then I'm showing you what I'm doing with the trade, or how I'm actually making money. Because it's not as simple as, oh, I'm gonna take the trade and I'm gonna wait till I make some money. He. And hopefully I make the money. He. Like, no, I'm taking a trade. I'm putting my stop loss where I want to put my stop loss, and I'm setting where I want the desired money I want to make, and I'm going from there. I'm literally scalping. You literally don't even got to set a take profit, honestly. Unless you really cold with it. Let's go with this dude.
That's a quick $1,000, just like that, or a quick $100, just like that. Okay.
Quick
and
1,000.
check it out, guys. These are trades.
You know what this thing doing? It's every time it hit his middle, it's gonna tell me.
So after we locked in profit there,
now check this out.
Watch this action, guys.
Hold up.
It came back down again.
Check this out. I could have took that trade though, but see, everybody have bought the market going up. It came down, tested down here again, and everybody bought it going up. Now, it may continue to go up, so I'm going to go ahead and put this right here. It may continue to go up, right? But that ain't nothing but all the people that been buying the market down here. The price been going up and up and down, up and down, up and down, down here. And they selling right here now. So that's why you see this market is going down. Now, as they selling, it got to be buyers. So people buying it too. So when the people that is selling, they selling it here. They're gonna be selling it there. They might sell it there, and it may support there. People are either gonna buy it there or they're not gonna buy it. Then the price gonna come back down. Then they're gonna sell here. They're gonna sell there. Now, if they buy it here, then the price gonna go up, and then they're gonna, the people that's selling it gonna start selling it here. If they buy it here, the price gonna go up. Then if they buy it here, then the price gonna go up. Then if they buy it here, it may or may not. People may or may not buy it there, though. They may be like, oh, that's too much money. I'm not going to buy it. You know what I'm saying? Not past this point. So they might go up here. So it may come. So then the people that's selling it here is going to have to bring the price back down to here. Then people may still be like, I'm not going to buy that. And the price might go back down here. And the price may go back down here. Then somebody might say, well, I'm still selling it here. And then the price come all the way down. Then it's come back down, 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 down. But people may still be buying it, though. That's where you get all of that from. That's the market. It's that simple. So if you understanding that, you just understanding there's buyers and sellers, and the people that bought it down here where we took the trade, you just know that there's buyers and sellers. It seemed like that it's consolidating right here. Let's check this dude out.
Boom. Same level. You enter here. And then boom, you got this move. Now we have formed, this is your exit. Okay. That's another quick $1,000 play in little to no time. Okay. Now
check this dude out. Now this dude is claiming. He's claiming that you're gonna make $1,000 with just those two plays. Did I make $1,000? Because my plays was just as big, bro. No, it depends on how much you trading. It depends on how much money you got in the game. Depends on how many positions you taking. Like, so this guy is just basically just running his mouth, bro. Oh, you gonna make $1,000? Like, is he on? What is he on, man?
Guys, what you want?
And remember, we don't know if he's taking these trades. We don't even know if this is an actual chart. This may be, from what I'm seeing, Yahoo's chart. He may be just looking on the internet, Yahoo's finance channel or something. You know what I'm saying? So I mean, this guy is literally just, not showing his work.
To understand this, you get in and out. You don't overstay your welcome. You don't get greedy with these trades because they're intended for you to be quick. They're intended for you to make your money in a short amount of time. Oftentimes you hear traders say things along the lines of, I'm not trading long. I don't trade in the market all day. When you hear that, the first thing you think about, oh, they're snipers. Oh, they are scalping, okay? And scalping is very lucrative, but in a short amount of time. And this is why you don't have to overstay your welcome. Let's go ahead and dive back into the chart. After we exit here.
Why is he still showing this? Why is he still showing this chart, bro? Hold up, y'all. Some money. Why is he still showing this chart, y'all? I mean, what, he was making all types of money today.
Here, okay. It came down, and I want to show you here now is support, but that's also your entry, okay? And then boom, you get in here.
Yeah, he's claiming everything is support. I honestly think he don't understand what support is. He just read something in the book or something, or he just heard something on the internet. Right? First off, you don't got a horizontal line to even represent support. You just got something. You just looking at the MMA, but the EMA is not that. It's not for that. Actually, it's not even for support or none of that. It's just basically telling you the flow of the market. But the thing is, though, support is not about the supply. Actually, that's not what it's not really what it's about. People at its lowest point, if you're trying to claim this is your lowest point, at its lowest point, that is only indicating that the people that is in the supply part of the chart, right? Which means that people that's buying the market up, this is the lowest point, or this is the lowest price people are willing to pay within the market. From that point, it may go up, or they will be forced to sell it, which means it would be driving the price down. So that is the only indicator of a support system. But if it's at its lowest point and it's not supporting that, you can't really explain that without explaining the other. So it's, you know, you can't just say support and then think people going to know what you're talking about. They really don't. Like when I was looking at this stuff, even by me hearing like a slight example, I didn't know what people was talking about all the time when they were saying it, because they said it to mean many things.
That support, and you ride it to resistance, and you exit. Okay. Another quick scalp, this one off a deeper support sitting at the 200 EMA once the 13 EMA gave up its support status. Okay, these are things you can look for time and time again on a daily basis on your trading journey. Okay?
And the reason why I'm like showing this like video, because I used to really like look at these guys and be thinking these guys know what they talking about, but now, like now that I know what I'm doing slightly, I don't use none of these methods. None of this stuff they talk about is right. And none of this stuff they talk about is actually true. And none of this stuff is going to make you any type of money. Flat out. Because if it was making them some money, they'll be showing it live. Not saying, yeah, look at the money I made 3 years ago. You know, like, come on, bro.
Okay, you don't have to take every one of these.
Or look at this chart right here. I took a trade here, even though I'm not going to show you I took the trade, and I made money here, even though I'm not going to show you where I made the money. You know, it just basically, trust me, bro.
That's the beauty about this, is that you can find one or two and make your $2,000 or $3,000 off of these one quick plays, or you can wait for one and then take the trade there. Let's go ahead and show you this though. We back in here, and then once we came back down, we bounced again. That was another quick scalp if you wanted to get in off support and exit there. Okay, but then guess what? We finally lost the support level here, and then this is the big move you guys really want to learn to catch. Okay, let's check this out. Once we lost the support of the 200, look at this move. Boom, boom, boom. You want to exit right there. Okay, that's your.
I mean, listen to this dude. I mean, how many people looked at this, bro? 119,000 people looked at this nonsense, bro. I wonder how many people lost their money listening to this moron. Oh yeah, trust me, bro. I totally took the trade right here, and I totally knew it wasn't going to support this line, and took the trade, and it went all the way down. Let's listen to what he said about this.
Show you this though.
You're going to lose all your money if you ever take a trade like this. Because listen to what he's saying. You basically guessing that it's going to be a sell at its lowest point. He's not even showing. He's saying, check this out, bro. Listen to what he's saying. He's saying 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. First off, that's too long to even take a trade. But he's claiming at this support line right here, he waited 25 minutes for it to hit this support line again. He claiming, first off, trades don't even happen like that. That in the EMA chart don't even show that stuff like that. It don't show it this off the fly like that. It only develops into the flow and shows that later on in the trade. It don't show that like right when it's happening. Like you can look at my chart, you can look at the end of the trade and see what the EMI. It's not going to show that type of stuff. So he just really talking out of his ass, ain't he? If you looking at the EMA thinking that you're going to see the candle connect with that line like that, you're going to be waiting all day for that. And you're going to get desperate and you're going to take a trade blindfolded. And even if you do see that, that is not an indicator to enter into a trade. Because that means you ignored everything else on the chart. Hold on for a second. Okay, I'm back. I'm back. But yeah, you may ignore everything else on the chart. Now let's say this. Check this out. Check this out. Right. So I got my EMI. Now you only going to see this stuff with your EMI. You only going to see this kind of stuff back here because now the chart has fully developed in history. It fully developed. So now you're going to see things way more clear. You're going to see the patterns way more clear. But it already happened. As it developing, the market is under the same reality as you. The market is also under the same reality of probability. So you don't see absolutely nothing right here that's basically connecting to an EMA chart because the EMA is under the same law as you. In reality, it's under the same probability logic as you. So so nonsense that he's talking about right now, it goes against the logic of probability. That's what the market is. It's about probability. What is the highest probability for the market to go up, or what is the highest probability for people to buy into the market, and what is the highest probability of people to sell into the market? Now, yes, the EMA chart is relevant, and yes, showing your supply and demands is relevant, and yes, looking at the minute and the 1 hour chart, that is also relevant, right? That is also relevant, but without other indicators that's going to show you when the market is actually. This is the last indicator. I looked at all of this. That's why you see me recently check this stuff. I look at all of this, but this is just basically telling me how the market is flowing, what the market is doing. Is the market in the uptrend or is the market in the downtrend? Right? And then this is the last indicator that I look at. This is not the first one. This is not the only indicator that I look at. No, this is the last indicator that I look at. Then I take an entry and take a chance. But I already got I got all this information first. And I got this whole thing understood first. Because what I'm understanding with this information. What you are trying to understand is, what are you risking? Is the market has the higher probability to go up, which means that people are buying into the market, right? Or the market had a higher probability to go down, which means people are selling into the market. More people are selling. Now, what is the logic in buying and selling? Of course, people want to buy things cheaper than buying things higher, more expensive. Of course, people is going to buy more things when it's more affordable than when it's less affordable. So, of course, when the lower part of the market, it's a supply. People want to buy it. So there's a higher probability of people buying. But whenever you look at the market in the higher, when the price is overpriced, things in that nature, then it's more probable for it to be selling. Because it's not supporting buying anymore. So all the people that bought when it was at its lowest point is going to want to sell it. And in order for them to sell it, they can't sell it at this high price anymore. So they have to drive down the price. So that makes it a higher probability for a sale to happen. That simple. That is the logic of looking at the chart. You're not explaining that logic. You don't know anything about trading. You're just an idiot, and you just basically leading people astray. Or unless you just basically trying to sell a course and you waiting to say this nonsense when you sell the course. One of the two is true. May both of them be true. I don't know. Let's look at this guy. So as we see right now, I'm looking at this indicator. It seems like it's going to go up, but this market while I'm talking. Still in the uptrend, but really honestly, no, it's still going up, kind of. Came down, but it seemed like it's going right back up. That's fine. I took a lot of trades over here. I kind of took a break. You see, I took a break right here. I took a lot of trades over there. It's really just today, honestly. All right, let's get back to it. Like I say, he's basically saying he's looking at the 5-minute chart. He's looking at the EMA, right? And he's basically saying he's looking at that to see if it's going to connect to these lines. You can see right now it's not connected to them lines like that. So he's just really just talking out of his ass. And then another thing too. So he's claiming that, okay, I'm looking at the EMA, and every time it connects to the line. So that means what? You would have took a. I mean, what would you would have did at this point? If you, let's say it actually connected to this line, and then you actually took what, a buy? Then you're not even explaining why would you take the buy. No, but actually, he said he would take a sell. So you would take the sell based upon it being based upon the candle being outside of his line. You would have instantly lost money because right now it's at a cross point to buy. So this indicator is telling you to buy, and then you got this indicator that's telling you to sell. What is you going to do? See, these are some of the questions that I like to ask these guys, and these are the questions that I would be asking you guys. I would be giving you guys scenarios, right? Say, what is you going to do when you see this and you see this? What should you do? Now, of course, the answer would be go to the minute chart, because the minute and the 5-minute chart is literally the same chart. It's just that the 5-minute chart usually explains more than the minute chart. But the minute chart is when you take the entry, whenever you're doing low trading scalping. Now, if you was doing the 45-minute chart in the hour chart, and then you can even use the 15-minute chart. Of course, you would be taking the trades in the 15-minute chart and the 45-minute chart, but use the hour chart and maybe the 2-hour if you got it, or the 3-hour chart, in order to see what is the overall market flow. But the answer would be to go to the minute chart, pretty much set your indicator, see where the market's at. Number one, market is in its middle, which means you don't want to take any trades at this point. You're going to wait for it to either go here or here. That's the answer. Do nothing, because there's too many probabilities in order for you to take a trade. At that point, you are just guessing, and no one is the number one guesser. No, you don't got precognition where you just know what the trade's going to do this or whether the trade's going to do that, man. You don't have that. I don't have that. If I did, I'd be a billionaire. I wish I did have that, to know what's going to happen in the future. Okay. Let's go. Let's check this out. I don't think this dude got that much.
Back in here, and then once we came back down, we bounced again. That was another quick scalp if you wanted to get in off support and exit there. Okay.
Oh, you could have did this. You could have did that.
Guess what? We finally lost the support level here, and then this is the big move you guys really want to learn to catch. Okay, let's check this out. Once we lost the support of the 200, look at this move. Boom, boom, boom. You want to exit right there. Okay, that's your big scalp. You would have entered there.
See, he's just talking nonsense, because again, this is a chart that already happened. By the time you see all of this, you're not seeing none of this stuff live. This stuff don't develop until after the trade is already done. That's the point. So saying you could have took this trade here, you could have took this trade there. Well, these lines is not even doing that at that point to take those trades. So you literally just talking out of your ass, bro.
Okay, you would enter here and you had that coming all the way down. Check it out, guys. These are
And that's why all these people be losing. That's why they say this nonsense about, well, yeah, only 90% of traders lose their money, lose all their money and blow up their accounts. This is why, because they look at morons like him.
trading strategies you guys can implement.
Look, check this out. 100,000 people is looking at him. How many people in this Discord room right now? Maybe 50.
You can start small.
Maybe
okay?
20
I
or
often
so.
talk about easing and scaling up in size, okay? Easing it to your positions. Don't come in with all the money in your account. Don't come into the game with all the money in your buying power. What you want to do is look and learn to trade with small amounts. Learn to first establish how to get in and get out. You're not concerned with trying to, I want to turn $20 into $1,000. You're not concerned with that. You want to practice the habit of just getting in and out, getting in and out, getting in and out. What that would do is once you bring a bigger position size into the equation, then that bigger position size require you to have to hold for a lesser, smaller move. That's the beauty of scalping, okay? You're holding for 10 cent, 15 cent, 30 cent, 50 cent, but you're making thousands of dollars off of that one small move, okay? And that's why it's so powerful. But the thing about it is managing your risk, getting in, getting out, not overstaying your welcome, seeing.
And they love talking about managing your risk. They love talking about this obvious stuff that you should know before you even get into trading. They love talking to you like you a moron, bro. Oh, well, yeah, there's actually something that got take profit and stop losses. Who's not going to use a stop loss? These guys is talk nonsense. When you should be showing and explaining what's going on.
Profit.
Like I said, even if you were to show it on a paper trading chart and just be like, hey, I'm just showing you guys how it can be done, how it should be done, it still gives people a whole lot more, right? You know, because all these guys claim to be millionaires and they got big trades and they don't want people to know their accounts and all that kind of stuff. Cool, well, you could just show this stuff on a paper chart. You could show this stuff on a paper trading account. Nobody wouldn't mind that because it's just practice. And to let people follow your trade live with you. Nobody wouldn't mind that. Nobody don't do that because I guarantee you 90% of them will be losing their money and everybody will be like, well, man, you did none of this stuff ain't working. Because it would be nothing that people could go home and practice with. So as you can see right now, what we went over is how to get in and out, basically scalping, you know. A lot, and like I said, a lot of y'all in here already know this, so pretty much, you know, so pretty much, since a lot of us already know this because we actually trade live, we actually do this live, we actually talk about this stuff live. So you have something to practice when you go home, or you have something to practice when you get on your computer, when you doing your paper trade, and then when you trade with your real money, since you've been practicing for so long, now you ready to go ahead and do it with real money. You don't have to worry about your mindset, and you don't have to worry about any of that nonsense because you done did it multiple times and you've seen it work multiple times. It's already a proven system in place. So all you got to do is just go ahead and make your money. Let's get into it.
taking profit and understanding this is something you can replicate, rinse and repeat, and duplicate on a daily basis. Okay, listen guys, scalping is a strategy that if done right and if coupled with managing your risk, okay guys.
So what, the video over? He about to talk nonsense from here on out? He about to sell us a dream? Okay, man, listen. When you scalping, man, listen, you could make a lot of money if you lucky. But a lot of times you're going to take losses. Look what I did. I took losses. I made this money today because I was lucky. But if you look at my other trades, right? Same system. It's still like a 50% chance that you're going to lose money. But look at this. I lost money. Look, thousands. Now, of course, you know, you're looking at it now, you look, oh, but you got more wins. But yeah, but look at the wins. $60 ain't a lot. $40, $1. That's just recent. $32, 80 to 81 bucks. Wait a minute, I made 400. Yeah, that was recent. I had a good day today. But listen, look at this. Look at this. I lost doing the same thing. I lost $100. Then I threw another trade in there, lost $800. Then I lost $1,000. Right? All in the same day. This is like pretty much the same day. I think that was today. Yep, we talked about that today. I took a lot of trades. But listen, I'm losing money. $800. You're not always gonna win, bro. Okay, let's get into it. Let's get into it. All right, where we at? Oh, it hit that middle part. It hit the middle point. See, the market's going down. It's going to tell me every time I reach here. So, just let me know it's going down now. But let's get back into it. Listen, I'm losing money. You're not always going to win. So all that, oh yeah, you're going to definitely make money. You lying. But check this out. Excuse my French, man. But look, I'm losing. 1,000. I think we seen that. 800. One whop. 300. Yeah, I'm winning too, though. But I'm not the type of person that's just going to show just my wins. Because these guys are clowns. But he's not even showing his wins. He's just showing just straight up something that he drew on. Like he's looking at the Yahoo chart and he thinks somebody's so dumb that they don't understand that that's the Yahoo chart. Like this is literally what he's looking at, y'all. He think we retarded or something. Let's get into it. Don't that look familiar, y'all? Don't that look familiar? Oh, you got to upgrade into that. Oh, you got to upgrade into that. So he got an account with Yahoo. So when he claiming that he's trading on Yahoo, bro. So he's on the Yahoo chart, right? And he's claiming that he's taking trades on Yahoo. Why? Nobody trades on Yahoo, bro. So he literally just making stuff up. Cause look, he's not even showing his trades. It would be different if he was trading live on Yahoo. He's not doing that. So yeah, so this is just basically, trust me, bro. Trust me, bro. I definitely took these trades and made a lot of money. I don't gotta lie. Look, I'm losing sometimes. Lost there. That was just today. No, that was yesterday. I lost there, 77, 40, 140 something bucks. I made this, man. Lost $795. I took a big loss. I'm trying to get to where I took a big loss. Made good money here. 850 something bucks. 500 bucks. But hey, look, I lost 1,000. Then I lost what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades in a row, bro. 5 trades in a row I lost. 1, 2, 3, 4. These is like swing trades, though. No, it's scalping. So, and that's just with a system that I'm the same system that I'm using right now. There's no perfect system. It's all about probability. Even when you got everything correct, and it makes more sense for it to be probable for the trade to go your way, it may not go your way. Now that's not to put any discouragement on the trade though, because most of the time, if you see what's going on with my trades, even when I'm losing, I'm winning. You're more likely to win than you is to. What the cat doing? You're more likely to win than to lose if you got a system in place. But for what he's trying to say, oh, you can make 1,000 and you could just go in there and make 4,000, 5,000. No, you can't, bro. You can if you know what you're doing, but man, it took me 3 years to learn how to do this. 3 years, man. Check this out. Look, I'm losing sometimes. 800 bucks. I had to make 400, 100, 200. I didn't even make that money back. Then I hit this. But check this out. I'm losing. This $1,000 right here I lost. I'm not winning all the time, man. All facts. I'm not winning all the time, bro. Sometimes you gotta take an L. Look, this is a big loss. It's a big loss. Being greedy. Took a really good big trade on this. Lost 4,000. Matter of fact, I lost 6,000 on this trade. I lost 4 and 6. That's like 10 grand. Still recovering from that. Still recovering. Look. Had a bad day. 1,000, 2,000. Losing. Winning, but losing. Some days be worse than the others, man. Then I did good this time. I don't think it go back no further. Look, losing. So y'all get the picture. Look. Oh, that's on them wins. My bad, y'all. I'm not one of those guys. I'm not one of those guys, man. Okay, where we at? I didn't miss the trade playing with y'all, man. Oh, I didn't miss the big trade too playing with y'all. Nah, I'm mad. I didn't miss the big trade. Ah, I missed it, y'all. And it hit both of my indicators too. Oh wow. I was supposed to hit it right here. And it went down where I thought it was gonna come to. Even if I would have hit it. Oh wow. I didn't miss the big trade. Alright, that's fine. I'll risk it. That's fine. Let's go. See, just lost again. See, you can't talk about losing for too long. That's fine though. I'm gonna get it back. Let's check this guy out.
Like everything else, when you do this game at the right level, at the proper execution, can change your life. I want you guys to give this a try on tomorrow. Take a quick small trade that you see at support, sell right at resistance if you can get in. If you first establish where your support level is at, there's various different ways you can find support. Okay, oftentimes look at price action, look at where stocks bottom at and bounce from. Okay, look and learn to find and spot the demand zones. Okay, those will be areas you can see. Okay, every time we get to this price, the stock takes.
See how he's just saying words? Demand zones. What does that mean? See what support and resistance is at. What do that mean? He's just saying words. It's a reason why they call it word salad.
Take off on me. When you see that, don't just blow past that. Actually focus on that, because that's letting you know that area is an area of emphasis for buyers to step in at, which might
Look past that. When you see that, don't look past that. See where that at. That's very vague. You're not actually being specific about what you're talking about. Needs some specificity, whatever they call that word.
be operating as support and or a demand zone. Therefore, you can get in and get out with a short, nice scout move, okay? Be snipers, guys. One shot, one kill. Something you can reload the clip, do it time and time again. Listen, guys, I hope today's video was helpful. I hope today's lesson was helpful. I want to see you guys go out this week and add this to your arsenal.
Protect your wealth by
Look at this
spending
guy.
physical gold, not paper money that grows weaker by the second. On a card.
Yes. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today we are going to talk about scalping. Okay, so first we're going to talk about what is scalping, what time frame to use when it comes to scalping. We're going to talk about myths about scalping, how to look for scalps, and the last thing we're going to do is we're going to look at live examples. Yes, live examples, because for some reason you always have either one or two haters, or maybe you are just lazy to look at my channel, and if you look, you will see so many examples of me trading live. All right, I actually traded live in front of YouTube, but it's all good. You know, shout out to all my haters. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys live examples of me getting.
Whenever a guy say that you a hater or whatever, because you want him to prove to you that he's legit, he ain't legit, and what he's saying he's going to do, he ain't going to do. Because you should be really doing that live, period. You shouldn't be making videos. You should be doing live video. You should be doing live streams of you trading.
Getting in the market, trading live, and everything. Okay, so let's go to the first thing. What is scalping? Scalping is a trading style that specializes in profiting off of small price changes. Scalping requires a trader to have a strict exit strategy and a very tight risk to capture a quick move in the direction of the trade. So when we are scalping the market, we're not looking for like huge moves. Okay, we're looking to take advantage of quick moves in market, that quick momentum, and we're looking to get out. So usually when I'm scalping, I'm looking for a 1-to-1 or a 2-to-1. Okay, so what that means is if I'm risking $10, I'm looking to make $10, or if I'm risking $10, I'm looking to make $20. Now I'm here to tell you, I don't only scalp, because I see a lot of, you know, again, haters will say, oh my gosh, you're only looking for a 1-to-1 and you're only looking for a 2-to-1. No, for the most part, I'm looking for maybe a 2-to-1. Okay, but there are some days where I'm looking for a 3-to-1, 4-to-1, even 5 or 6-to-1, or even more. So there are certain days where I will let my winners ride more, but for the most part, I'm in and out. I'm looking for at least a 2-to-1. But some trades are a quick 1-to-1. It's just what it is. Now, what time frame should you use when it comes to scalping? Well, I like to use the 5-minute chart and the 1-minute chart, but mainly the 5-minute chart. I'm looking at the 5-minute chart all the time. But sometimes I will go down to the 1-minute chart if I like what I see. Maybe they trapping buyers or sellers, and I might go to the 1-minute chart to see if I can get a better entry. But I would say 98% of the times I'm taking trades off the 5-minute chart. Okay, so if you're new, it's best to stay on the 5-minute chart, because the 1-minute chart can give you probably too many false signals, or it's just too quick for you guys. Right? So just, if you're new, just stick to the 5-minute. Now let's talk about the myths when it comes to scalping. I'm only going to talk about one myth, and that is most people, when they hear about scalping, they automatically think that you have to trade a lot, and that's not true. Most people think when they hear the word scalping, you're taking 10, 20 trades a day, and no, you don't have to do that. If you look at my trading, sometimes I'm taking 1 trade or even 2 trades and I'm done for the day. Okay, when I show you guys the live examples soon, you're gonna see me just taking 1 trade and I'm done for the day. So no, scalping is not about going in and out, looking for multiple trades, looking for 10 to 20 trades. It's all about looking for a nice, high quality trade, and boom, take advantage of that quick momentum, and you're out, and you're done for the day. Now, how do you look for your scalps? Well, what I like to do, it doesn't matter if you're scalping or day trading or even swing trading. The best thing to do is look for key levels. So your key levels could be support and resistance, supply and demand, trend lines, moving average, whatever you want to use, okay? Now, if someone tells you that trend lines don't work or support and resistance doesn't work or, you know, anything doesn't work, don't listen to that person. Just test it out for yourself. If it works for you, keep using it, all right? So let's go to the live examples right now. Okay, so right here is where the market opened. And when I'm looking at the market, you know, I don't really have a bias unless the picture is really clear. So right here, I'm looking for longs, meaning I'm looking to buy the market, right? Because overall, you can tell that the market's in an uptrend. So I'm looking for price to come back to a key level like support and resistance, right? We have support right here. So I'm looking for the market to come to that level and show me any type of buying action, and I'm looking to buy. All right, so let me
Check this out. Is this live trading? Is this what I'm doing? Let's be real. He said he was going to be live trading. Is this live trading? Is this what I'm doing? Or is this a fucking video? Yeah.
fast forward to show you guys what happened next. All right.
Excuse
so
my
right
French.
here,
No cussing.
I saw a nice bullish bar. We was bouncing off support. I got in, so I'm in the market, and I got in a little bit late because I was actually fixing some scrambled eggs for my 1-year-old. So, you know, make sure that when you are trading, don't do multiple things at once. But I got in, so everything's looking good. The market's pushing up. So let me fast forward this, guys, so you can see what happened next. All right, so you see the market is pulling back, all right? And I added some more. Now, if you look to the left, you can see that I'm actually down $267. How's that? And I didn't get stopped out. Well, that's because when I added some more and the market pulled back, basically I actually took off some ads because I didn't really want the market to stop me out fully on those ads. So I just got out real quick, but you know, $260, whatever. Right now, if you see the market is pushing up, everything's looking good. And if you look at it, I'm trying to adjust my target profits, and I'm trying to just let it breathe a little bit because I'm trying to let it go to resistance. Now, I want you to look at my stop loss, and I want you to understand that my stop loss is not exactly below the candle. It's because usually when I have my stop loss far away, it's because I didn't adjust it yet. All right, so let's go and see what happened next. Okay, so you see the market's going up, it's pushing.
No wonder this
above
dude
that
looked
resistance.
nervous. He looked nervous because he know he full of crap, and he's trying to see if these people is going to believe that. He another one. They got 800,000 subscribers. What is going on? Who is listening to these people?
On that purple line right there, and you're going to see me right now about to get out because again, was a quick scalp. I wasn't too sure what the market wanted to do that day, so I just got out for a quick scalp. Didn't really try to hold it. It did look like a good trade to hold, but it wasn't too clear for me, so I just got out, scalped the market, and I was done. Okay, so if you look to the
And again, he's another one wearing a baseball cap, fucking t-shirt, and is anybody going to take money advice from this guy? I mean, at least, come on, brother, represent us, man. At least, look at these white guys. At least these guys is like, even though they full of crap too, but at least they trying to look the part, bro.
Want to know how I took my business to the next level? It's simple.
All right, I'm about to get up out of here.
Shopify has all the tools in one place to run your business.
Yes. What's going on, guys? This has been AKA Day Trading Addict, and I have another good video for you guys. Today, we're going to talk about 5 scalping habits that can grow your
Oh wow, this is a
account
3-hour
bigger.
video.
Trust
Yeah, I'm
me,
about to
you're
get
gonna
out of
love
here,
this one.
y'all.
So let's go. Number 1, use key levels, guys. Listen, this is a big one because I
Oh
see a
man,
lot
this
of
dude
new
is
traders
ridiculous, bro.
chasing price, buying just because they say, oh, I think it's going to go up, or they have a gut feeling it's going to go up or down, and they are buying or selling, you know, these markets. Guys, you can't trade like that, right? You can't scout that way. So the best way to do it, okay, if you want consistency, right, the best way to do it is to use key levels. Why is that? Because you can use that key level, go back, all right, on your charts, and you can back test and see if, okay, you can come up with a profitable strategy. Because when it comes to scalping, guys, when you build your strategy, you have to have data to back it up. You just can't come in the market and risk live money without having any proof that your strategy works, okay? So some of the key levels you can use is maybe a trend line, maybe support or resistance, or supply and demand. I like using supply and demand. I don't only use supply and demand, but I use supply and demand a lot when I trade. So you can use, any level that you want, okay? But make sure that you go back and test it out and see if you can actually come up with a strategy so you can trade and make money. And for all your new
All right. I'm pretty much done. I'm about to get up out of here. I should stay a little bit longer, but I don't really see any other trades. I hate to be on the loss, but it's fine. So what I'm definitely doing right now, I'm waiting for it to come back down here and hit this mark so I can take another buy. What is it doing? So I could take another buy, or it may shoot to the moon. Then I would be taking the sell. So I'm just going to hang out for a bit and wait for that to happen, I guess. So I can see if I can make my 200 something bucks back. But we are currently at $4,500 and $22. $4,500, $22.48, which is pretty good for the day. So, peace to everybody. Peace and love. And I am definitely out of here. Let's go.
I'm almost afraid to let go, but this is the